gentlemen, boys and girls, I present to you the one, the only, Manny Ortiz. Hi, Manny, and welcome to my show.
Thank you for having me.
So today is a very special day. You have a very important announcement to make.
I do.
Why don't we just get to it?
So after years and years of Manny, where's your portrait retouching tutorial video?
Manny?
Where's your video, Manny?
Where?
Well, guess what? My portrait retouching video is finally here.
Okay, well, yes. Finally, it's about time. What took so long, Mr. Ortiz?
Years and years of refining my technique.
Years.
I have finally 100% confident in my technique. It's been working for me for a long time and finally gonna share with the world, you know?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And how long have you been working on this?
It's been years.
Oh, years.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
So, Manny, tell us more about this retouching tutorial.
My tutorial is consists of 8 different videos. 8 retouching videos from start to finish, my entire process.
That's ocho.
Yeah, that's it. It's pretty good. The people that purchase the tutorial are also gonna get all of the raw images so that they can follow along as I retouch.
They're gonna right now.
I'm not gonna stop.
Okay.
They're gonna get a frequency separation action, my new one. They're also gonna get a dodging and burning action. Yes. And I have a new preset pack for Lightroom. It's called the Walmart Drake preset pack.
Walmart Drake, eh?
Walmart Drake. It's a name that I got on the internet and I just ran with it, you know.
Okay.
So it's the Walmart Drake preset pack. It's my favorite preset pack of all time.
Of all time.
I've been using them for months.
But wait, there's more.
So for the first week, people that purchase my retouching tutorial are gonna get the Walmart Drake preset pack for Lightroom for free.
Free? F-R-E-E? Your wife must be so proud.
Yeah, she's at home right now cooking me a celebratory dinner, you know.
Just got off the phone with her. She's actually at the club with her friends, but okay.
She ain't at no club, all right? Okay, continue on.
Well, I'm very excited for you, Manny. Is there anything else that you would like to say or share with, the viewers?
Sure. So my retouching tutorial, people are gonna learn how to master frequency separation, how to clean off the blemishes off the face, and also blend in those skin tones, because when we take pictures and mix the lighting, we get blotches of just things on the skin, and in the tutorial they're gonna learn how to mix that all in together really nicely, polish up the image with a little dodging and burning, contouring the face and the body.
That's great.
They're gonna learn, yes.
You seem very passionate right now.
I'm very passionate. Excited about where people can take this kind of information and improve their portraits. I'm really excited about that.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
The Manny and Diana show is, we're gonna postpone it really quick, but I really wanna send you a genuine message to the people out there. I appreciate you guys more than you think. Especially my day one people, the people that were with me when, why are you eating a cookie when I'm talking? The people there that have been with me for this whole YouTube journey, I appreciate you. For the people that just subscribed, I appreciate you. I just want to inspire people and I want to help people, and this tutorial is something that I put a lot of work into, and she knows that.
So annoying, driving me crazy.
Yeah, I put a lot of work into this tutorial, so I hope that if you do end up buying it, I want to say a huge thank you. Thank you for believing in me and supporting what I'm doing here on YouTube. If you don't want to buy it, that's fine. I'm still gonna be posting content all the time.
So in all sincerity, guys, thank you so much for supporting this handsome guy and for believing in him throughout this journey. He really did put a lot of work into it, and it's been many months where he's like, okay, I'm ready. Oh no, I'm not, I need to fix this. Oh, I'm ready. No, I need to perfect this. Oh, I'm ready. So he really has been putting a lot of work into it. So hopefully you guys love it as much as he loves me. Hopefully you guys really love it, because I think he really enjoyed making it for you, even though he worked night and day on it. I think it's his baby next to me.
Yep. Yep. So yeah, again, thank you so much. The link will be down below to purchase it. The first week, you're gonna get the preset pack for free for Lightroom. Oh yeah, okay. Ready, and go ahead. All right. This played out now, man. We can't do the peace sign no more. We gotta come up with something new. Can you come up with something new?
Can you come up with something?
I have to do everything else, so you figure out something new.
Everything else? What is everything else?
Like all the other ideas. So you come up with something.
How are you gonna say that? This whole video was my idea.
No.